Hello warriors, and welcome back. Python Dev Warrior here again, and today we'll be talking about variables in Python, variable naming conventions, and how to use variables just in general. Okay, let's jump right into it. So what are variables? Okay, so in programming, variables are containers for data. Or, to put it another way, variables are labels used for assigning data. And also, variables have naming conventions for their uses in Python. When creating a variable in Python, there are specific rules involved. Breaking these rules will result in an error and prevent a program from running successfully. So, rule number 1, variable names can only contain numbers, letters, and underscores. So for rule 1, string1 underscore is a successful example. We can set anything equal to this empty string, for instance. This is a success, as I'll show you when we compile the code, when we run the code. String1 with 2 exclamation points, however, is a failure. The reason this name fails is because it doesn't follow rule 1. So naming a variable with exclamation points in the name is not allowed, because as rule 1 states, variable names can only contain numbers, letters, and underscores. So that's why string1 exclamation point is a failure, and we'll see this right here. Boom, so string1 exclamation point is invalid syntax in Python. So naming convention rule 2 in Python. Variables can start with a letter or an underscore, but not with a number. So setting var equal to a value will be successful. Setting underscore var equal to a number will be successful. But if we start the variable with a number, such as 1 underscore var equal to 22, this will fail. And we can see by running the code that this will actually fail. Rule number 3. Spaces are not allowed in variable names, so use underscores. One example is to use underscores to separate the words, so number of characters with underscores where the spaces would be. Rule number 4. Avoid using restricted words in variable names. This can lead to confusion and errors. For example, print, len for length, continue, break, and string. These are all restricted words and should not be used in the naming of variables. Rule number 5. Variable names should be short but descriptive. For example, L underscore N should be replaced by something like last underscore name, so it's clear to the user what the variable is. As your programs become more complex, remember these naming rules to avoid unnecessary complications. And today's quote of the day, practice leads to mastery, by Anonymous. So that's it for today. If you have anything you want to add, please comment down below or hit the like button for me if you liked the video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. All right, thank you. Bye.